Today you join me in number 2, Pear Tree Lane in Lewes Valley in the conservation area. It's absolutely beautiful, stunning, just 5 minutes away from Maidstone. Behind me is this lovely property which is absolutely renovated to a superb condition. Let's go inside and have a look. What a fantastic greeting this house presents you with. Just look at this hallway, it is lovely and light, it's double height. Let's go and have a look around the rest of the property. Okay, so this is always one of my favourite rooms of the house. So we've got a fantastic island here with white quartz worktops. It's well equipped. We've got built-in ovens, hob, and a really good, useful utility room over here. I really love this family area here. It's a great place to sit, it's a great place to entertain, and it's great for if you're in the kitchen preparing meals, you can keep an eye on the children, and it's beautifully lit with all the light that just floods in from these twin bifold doors here. Okay, so you join me in the bedroom here. As with every room in this house, it is meticulously well decorated. It is lovely and light. In the ensuite, we've got high-end features, and we've got lots and lots of storage in there as well. I love this family bathroom, and while we're on the subject, why don't you check out the Jack and Jill bathroom on the 5th bedroom downstairs. So out in the garden here, you can see that this has been kept really straight and tidy. It's perfect for you to make it your own stamp. You can put a gym over there or a shed, and you'll notice that the garden wraps right around the property. And once those laurel bushes grow up, it's going to give you a lot of privacy. It's a really nice place to be. So if this is a property that you can see yourself living in and you'd really like a viewing, then contact us now on the numbers below and let's get you into your next dream home.